Hey guys, finally he sleeps. Today we got our hands on an articulating industrial borescope from Kaiweets, and we're gonna take a look at it and check it out and see how much this is gonna help us at the shop. 1.5 meter cable length. We're gonna open it up and see exactly what we've got here. Ooh, I like the case. Just saying, I mean, pointing out the packaging. The packaging itself, if you can see that, is a 5-color print with matte and then gloss over the actual product. As a product designer, that's nice. That shows that they put some real thought process behind the packaging. It's got a nice case. All right. Instructions. What the hell is this? Adapters of some kind. And here it is. Borescope. It looks nice. I mean, how articulate. Oh. And then there's the lens. All right, we're gonna check it out, read the instructions, and then we're gonna test this on the Z and see what we can do with it. All right, so here's where we would use this quite a bit. Here we're on the Z, and you can see that there's controls here that articulate the end of this. It's 1.5 meters long, so you got plenty of room. The digital screens, there's a light on the end of the borescope, and you can take screenshots and watch the footage. But like on this with the camera on the car, one of the things that we do quite a bit is we're trying to figure out like clearance, like how close is the barrel to the, how close is the barrel to like the coilover? Are we rubbing? Are we gonna hit anything? And this, I mean, a lot of times we basically just throw our phone up there and take a picture to see where we're at. This is so much nicer, just to make sure we have clearance. How much threading is on the coilover?
Never been able to see above a tire before.
Yeah, no kidding. Now you can see, I'd love to do this in the truck just to see how close I am to rubbing. This is impressive. It's hard to show the actual camera quality here, but it is actually really nice. And being able to adjust it with the controls on the borescope, the end is completely articulated. This would have come in handy when we were wrapping that Corvette too, when we were trying to figure out where that bolt was to hold the fender on.
Oh, yeah.
Can you see where it is? Oh, you got plenty of room.
Well, my issue is that spindle right there.
Oh. How close is the coil to the... Jesus. You have millimeters?
Yeah, it's all shaved.
Oh, that's where you cut that off to make room for the coil?
Yeah.
Good God. I am impressed with this thing. And I can see now, it's funny how many times we would have used this just recently. It's so funny, it's like right now, it's just thinking of all the different times we could have used this that would have been nice. But even just the quality of what we're getting out of this is amazing. And you can take a snapshot and then go back through your recordings and look at the images that you've taken. All right, we're under the hood. I just want to try this out just to see if we can get into a place that...
That's that knock sensor I had to change.
Oh, that's where the sensor is?
Yeah.
Nice. And now we can see it. Oh my God, there's so many things that I can see us using this for. It is 1080p HD resolution. We have controls, the articulated controls make it easy to get in here into the places that we need to see. I think it's, according to the instructions, it's about 2 to 10 centimeters is the optimal focus range. So as you can see, the quality.
Figure out where I'm at.
few things I want to mention with this thing. The display is, the full color display is fantastic. This is the control that we're using right here to control the articulated end to this thing, which is just, it's just really cool when you get in there and you're looking for something specific in the car or what you're doing. There are controls here. You can record video, you can take shots, you can take screenshots from here. Those recordings then get saved into the memory on this. If you look here inside, there is a card here on the bottom. It is a memory card. And then there's also a USB-C port for charging and for connecting it to your computer so that you can download the AVI files for video and for the still shots if you're recording pictures. And then those come in 1080p, high quality. You can zoom them in the computer and use them. Here's what we're looking at as far as quality. This is like when we were looking through the manifold on the 350Z. The quality is just unbelievable. I'm so glad we got our hands on this. There are so many things that we could have used this for this year alone, and this will get a lot of use around the shop. If you're interested in this borescope from Kaiweets, the link is in the description. And if you go to their website, kaiweets.com, and you use my code 15FHS, 15FHS, you can get 15% off your order across the board, including this borescope. That's it. I hope that information helped. If it did, subscribe here on the Gearheads channel so you never miss when one of our videos goes live. Turn on notifications. It does make a big difference here on the channel. Appreciate you guys. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos.
Finally he sleeps, finally he dreams. In a world of games it seems. Finally he rests, finally he's free. In a world that only he can see.
You kill that. You can knock it off. You are impossible.